And welcome back. So we are now at the Rito Village. Oh, perfect timing. So all we have to do at this point is go and talk to I forget who. Do 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 do. I believe it's the old man. Old man, owl man. There he is. Ah, a visitor. Welcome to... Where am I? Oh! The object on your hip, could it be? Forgive me. Where are my manners? I am Kanili, elder of Rito Village. Now then, is that not the chic slate dangling from your hip? 'Cause my hips don't lie. Oh my! So it is true! This means you must be the champion like Master Rivali, one of the few able to board Divine Beast around me. No, wait, what am I thinking? The champion's all been dead 100 years. By boy, it must be. I'm crazy. Oh, forgive me. Champion descendant, if you'd listen to this old man's request, you would have my eternal gratitude. Sure. Thank you, truly. Now that I know you have the blood of a champion, there's nothing I must ask of you. Nothing at all. How shall I put this? I would be like totally into if you'd go to Divine Beast 5. Only the chosen champion one. Can stop with Divine Beast. You must enter the beast and bend it to your will. I tried explaining this to headstrong Rito warriors, but they wouldn't listen to reason. Teba and Harth tried to confront Meadow, but it did not go well, and Harth has been injured. Teba escaped unscathed, but I fear that plans to face Meadow alone. As a descendant of the champions, perhaps you can help us. Please find Teba. If you work together, you may be able to stop the Vime. Alright. Easy enough. Oh, and I already did go get all of the required clothings. Do I talk to her? Traveler, I think I can't be but I'll do that to the I know you're supposed I think you're supposed to talk to his wife first. Sleep. I think so. Forgive me, treason. I'd overheard you sooner than other. Sounds like you intend to help my husband. But tell you the truth, there's not much I can do for you right now. I'm telling you, my husband over here. Where do you go? Well, my husband headed to a place called Flight Range. Okay. Yes. We know. If you look off there, Valley's Landing is straight down. It's a straight shot down over there for Flight Range. Named the hopes that one might forget. So named in the hope that none might forget the events of the horrible day. It looks like the rebellion symbol from Star Wars. That was the first thing that's like immediately that was my first thought when I saw that. The first time I played the game. I'm like, they ripped that off. Dude, it's Falco. Falco.
Very few can achieve
Nobody told me that Falco was going to
make. Yet I have made an art of creating an updraft that allows me to soar. It's considered to be quite the masterpiece of aerial techniques, even among the Rito. With
I
proper
simultaneously like how they
utilization of my
have bird
superior
feather
skills,
fingers.
I see no reason why we couldn't easily dispense with Ganon.
And it's
Now
also
then,
weirdly
my
gross.
ability to explore the firmament is certainly of note. But let's not, pardon me for being so blunt, let's not forget the fact that I am the most skilled archer of all the Rito. Yet despite these truths, it seems that I've been tapped to merely assist you. All because you happen to have that little darkness-sealing sword on your back. I mean, it's just asinine. Unless you think you can prove me wrong? Maybe we should just settle this one-on-one. But where?
Whoa.
Oh, I know. How about up there?
What's those lines?
Oh, you must pardon me. I forgot you have no way of making it up to that divine beast on your own.
I can't tell if that was the game or if it's just showing up on the capture feed.
Good luck sealing
It's
the
like,
darkness.
I don't know what's going on. YouTuber stuff can never just be simple. There's always got to be something. Always got to be something. Descendant, are you all right? My apologies. I went too far. Okay, where's the flight range? Oh, oh, oh. It's over there, isn't it? Oh yeah, and there's a I'm like, what am I doing? There's a shrine. We'll head on over to that shrine. Yes, I know there's a shrine. I literally can see it. Could they have patched that if it's in within line of sight, it doesn't beep at you? Because that is just, it's a little over the top if you ask me. Oh yeah, let's go. Hey, rude. Oh, he's coming for me. Oh, he's coming for me. Oh, no way.
It was my pleasure.
Dang, yo. Homeboy with the spear, don't play. Does he sound like disinterested? Let me get this waypoint. Let's just go with the mission. Let's go get this done. Because this won't take long. How many bomb arrows do I have? 20? I think he's gonna give me 20. I hope he gives me 20. That'd be very nice. Just taking all your crap. Oh, I don't have enough. Really? Well, I'll drop this home G. Get that home G.
Yeah?
Rito warrior.
I don't know you. And I'm actually pretty busy here. You should probably go.
Did you need something?
Hmm?
Help me? With what exactly? Let me get this straight. Some random alien wants to help me bring down Divine Beast. I'm not buying it. What's your name, stranger? Link, huh? Well, Link, I'm Teba, but you already knew that. I'm guessing the Elder asked you to come here and talk some sense into me, am I right? Just like the Elder trust any fool wandering into town. Look, you seem like an alright guy, but let's make one thing clear. I'm not going anywhere. As a Rito warrior, I can't rest until my people are safe. There's only one way I'm going back to Rito Village. If I falls from the sky, if I have to kill me, so be it. Only then I will return to the village. Let's do it! Are you serious? Ha! Well, far be it from me to talk you off the ledge. But as the elder said, the only way to stop the divine beast is to get inside it. Fat chance of that happening. There's no way we can set foot in. So not only are you wingless, you're brainless too. Let me fill you in. The only people able to enter the divine beasts are the 5 champions of old. And unfortunately for us, and the rest of Hyrule, they all died 100 years ago. Because they're all dead. They're all dead. If it hadn't been for Guinan, never mind. Let's focus on bringing down one step at a time. If we approach recklessly, its cannons will blast us out of the sky before we even get close. So I'm gonna need to test you before I take you with me. We Rito warriors use this updraft in this ravine to hone our aerial archery skills. The updrafts are so strong here that the person can just open up a cloth over their head and float up easily. Foreshadowing. Let's do it! 5 targets. Go. Let's go! I'm gonna mess it up. Not intentionally. 1. Oh. Oh, I missed.
That's it. One more. Perfect.
Okay, come back. You're skilled. Oh, I mean, you. It was as if time stopped and every arrow you let fly. I've got to tell you, Link. When you first showed up, I thought someone was pulling a prank on me. But after seeing you handle that bow, I can tell you're the real deal. You must have seen a battle or two. Don't be modest. I can tell just looking at you. Link, I feel I've heard the name somewhere before. Well, if you really want to help me bring down it's now or never. I'll get you positioned so we can give its cannons all you've got. Inside the treasure chest is a bow I've modified. Take it, and let me know when you're ready. Man, they give me another bow. Oh, that's broken. Dope. I like it. All right, let's go. Bomb arrows. Sick. All right, I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. Why are you doing this? To rescue Zelda. Zelda? Oh shit. But whatever. As long as you're helping me bring down Badi, then your motivation is fine by me. All right, get on. All right, and with that, I will stop here, and we will continue in the next episode. Take care for now.